Okay, so now we are going to learn different coordinates such as north, south, east, west, and also about oceans like the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indic Ocean. So let's give it a try. The first word we have is coordenadas, which means coordinates. Coordenadas. This is a little complicated maybe to say because of the double O. Coordenadas. Coordenadas. So you cannot switch the double O into just one O. Coordenadas. Coordinates. In English, we say coordinates. Coor. In Spanish, we say coordenadas. So kind of like the two O's just become one. Coordenadas. Coordenadas. Okay. And the first one we have is norte, which means north. Norte. So simple. North, norte, norte. And the next one, sur, south. Sur, south. Sur. And the third one, este, east. Este. Este, east. And the fourth one, oeste, west. Oeste. So it's quite simple. It sounds similar enough to English. Norte, norte, north. Sur, south, sur. Este, east. Oeste, west. Norte, sur, este, oeste. North, sur, este, oeste. Okay, oeste, west. Let's try the next one. Then we have Océano, ocean, Océano Pacífico, Pacific Ocean, Océano Pacífico. And then we have Océano Ártico, Arctic Ocean, Océano Ártico. And the third one, Océano Atlántico, Atlantic Ocean, Océano Atlántico. So in Spanish, we start with Océano, ocean, and then the name of the ocean. In English, it's the opposite, Pacific Ocean, Océano Pacífico. So it's kind of like an X type of switch. Okay. Océano Atlántico. And the last one, Océano Índico, Indian Ocean. Océano Índico, Indian Ocean. Okay, one more time. Océano Pacífico, Océano Ártico, Océano Atlántico, Océano Índico, Océano Índico. And let's try some examples. Here we have Europa está al norte de África. Europe is north of Africa. Europa está al norte de África. And this one is simple. Let's try the next one. España está al este de Francia. Spain is east of France. España está al este de Francia. Spain is east of France. Okay, these are quite simple. The next one. ¿Dónde está el océano Atlántico? Where is the Atlantic Ocean? ¿Dónde está el océano Atlántico? So simple. And the next example. El océano Índico está al sur de la India. The Indian Ocean is south of India. And whenever it comes to India, we can say India or also la India. So this one is kind of like an exception. We would say the India, la India. For example, you can say voy a ir a India. I'm going to India. Or voy a ir a la India. I'm going to the India. So this is kind of like an exception because we say la India, the India. And not many countries actually get that. For example, the United States, los Estados Unidos, Germany, Alemania, we don't use the. So very few countries you tend to use the India, the United States. But India is one of them in Spanish. Okay, el Océano Índico está al sur de la India. The Indian Ocean is south of India. And another example. El Océano Pacífico está al oeste de los Estados Unidos. The Pacific Ocean is to the west of the United States. Está al oeste or al oeste to the west. Al oeste, al oeste. So this one actually has a mistake. And let's see if you can actually find the mistake on this one. And the mistake is that you would say al oeste because al already means a el. So we do not say al el oeste está al el oeste. This one is a mistake because al is a combination of a and el. A el oeste. So al oeste. So we have to remove el. El Océano Pacífico está al oeste. So al is a plus el. Okay, so this one is a short mistake in the lesson. So yeah, so this was made on purpose so that you know al oeste, a el. Okay, let's try the next one. Hace mucho frío en el Océano Ártico. It's very cold in the Arctic Ocean. Hace mucho frío en el Océano Ártico. It's very cold in the Arctic Ocean. So simple. And let's try a few more examples. Chile está al oeste de Argentina. Chile is west of Argentina. So here is what I'm saying. Al oeste, not a el oeste. Because it's a common mistake with people just learning the language. A el or al el, it's even worse. Al oeste. Chile está al oeste de Argentina. And the next one. Colombia está al norte de Perú. Colombia is north of Peru. Colombia está al norte de Perú. And a few more examples. El Océano Atlántico se encuentra entre el continente americano y Europa y África. This is a long one. The Atlantic Ocean is between the American continent and Europe and Africa. And one more time. El Océano Atlántico se encuentra, it's found, it's found in, or it's basically there, entre el continente americano y Europa y África. So in this case, we can use the verb encontrar, which means to find. So this one means it is found between Europe and Africa. So yeah, we use this in Spanish. Se encuentra entre. It is found between Europe and Africa. Okay, next one. Vamos a volar al sur de México. We are flying to the south of Mexico. Al sur. Vamos a volar al sur de México. Al sur. So this one is al, as always. Al. Okay, so that's it for this one. I think it was a good class. So thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.